Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're here and we're gonna do my arch nemesis, something I hate doing, but I know I have to do it sometimes. So today we're gonna do a cut crease. We're gonna do a cut crease. I don't like cut creases. It just is what it is. I don't like it, but today we're gonna do it. So if you want to see how I slay that cut crease, you already know what to do. Keep on watching.
I wanna wake up in the morning with someone new. I wanna do the things they say we shouldn't do. I wanna wake up in the
I know cut crease stresses me out. Like it is like the worst. So let's get to it. While I find a little brush. So this is a 212, a white 212 from Makeup by Yolondo. I'm actually gonna play in this palette. So the first shade I'm gonna go into this shade right here called Punches. I think I'm just gonna say the names of the shades, not necessarily put on the palette. The palette is massive. So we're gonna go into Punches. Look at my mirror. This is I used to watch that show with my daughter when she was little.
My little pony, my little pony. I used to wonder what friendship could be.
I'm still obsessed. I don't watch it anymore, but Okay, so I'm just gonna put this in my crease. I feel like this brush might be too big. I have like the worst, not the worst, but my eye, I don't have a lot of space. Like I do not have a lot of space. I am gonna go a little bit above my crease. And right now I'm just I'm not focusing too much on blending, guys. I'm just pretty much laying the shadow, just laying it. Just laying my shape that I want. The reason why I don't do cut creases is it is so tedious to me. Like it just takes forever. So like so. That is the base. Man, I am hot. I'm actually fasting, so I can't drink any juice or just water. Just water. Okay, so now I need another brush. What is this? This is an M441. I'm thinking I'm gonna go into this Ferment, this one right here, and I'm gonna give it a little bit of a blend, I think. Actually, before I put anything on here, I'm just gonna brush the edges real quick, just to make sure everything is nicely blended. And if in case I need any more product, I can go back in. Sometimes I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to go back in. Okay, so now we're gonna go into Vermint, and I'm just gonna lay this right here, literally right on the edge, because I want the dark green to be the business. This shade has a lot of fallout, but it's okay. Fallout doesn't bug me. And this is gonna go up to my brow, but I don't care. I don't care. I love it. I literally love it. Now I'm gonna go into, I think, Potent. What is this? M321 from Morphe. And then I'm just gonna put it right here. Again, I know it's going all the way in my brow, but I don't mind. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back into that first green, which was Punches, and I'm just gonna re-intensify that a bit. Okay, now is my worst part, the part that I hate the most. I hate it. I hate it. Hate that part. Man, not my last video. I think my video before the last. my mic was off. If you guys know, or anybody that does like makeup and or record videos, it's the worst. It's like literally the worst. You just kind of have to go with the punch. Like I had to do voiceover, which I've never done before. So you know, I guess that was like a learning experience for me, because I did not like it at all. So I'm using this oil-free makeup remover from Neutrogena. I actually got this mirror at, what's it face, Marshalls, and I was like, yes. Again, you need to be careful with this, because this will take everything off, like your sins, everything. I know people always ask me like, why are you putting the makeup on there for you to like take it all off? I'm technically not taking it all off. I'm just trying to create something that I want, like the top part, which I need. I don't need this part, but to try to do this and don't let any makeup fall is like impossible. So I'm thinking of what I'm gonna do. Actually, this is from Tarte, I think. Yes, and it's Seaglass, Rainforest of the Sea. So we're gonna try something. If it doesn't work, I'm just gonna take it off. Okay. I don't know. No, I'm like, what am I gonna put in this space, right? Let's see. This is gonna be either a great or mess. This is actually from Fenty Beauty. This actually you can't get anymore, because I think this came in like a holiday collection. It's fine. A little bit got on the blue, but I'll fix that. I actually like how this is looking. I just need something for the center, I think, right? So these are from Juvia's Place. I feel like this is so close to this. It would just blend in there. What shade is this? Fula, maybe? Okay, this is cute, but I need my gold again from Rihanna, because I think I lost it right here. Okay, this is fire. So I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my other eye, and I'll be right back. Hi guys, so we're back. I know this look was not supposed to be so dramatic, but you know what? Let's talk about the foundation. So this foundation is called the Hydro Maniac Tinted Glow Hydrator. This looks light. I already know that. But the other shade that they had was like dark. I'm gonna use these two concealers from Jaclyn here. Oh my god, I hate this foundation already. I feel like I hate this. Like it looks so greasy on my face. And then I'm gonna use my contour one from Charlotte Tilbury. We're gonna use this brush. This is actually from Ruce. It's an angle contour brush. And I'm just gonna use this to like blend out my contour. I don't know, I feel like I need a little bit more, but let's blend out this concealer. I'm using my sponge from AOA or Shop Miss A. So I usually leave my concealer for like a little bit so I can get more coverage, but I feel like this just like dries really fast. But does it give me more coverage? No. It just dries. This is from like Japanese. Is a 726 brush. I'm just gonna try to like. I don't like this concealer. We're gonna go back with this. So I'm gonna go with my Charlotte Tilbury setting powder in shade 1. This is the translucent loose. This is from is the blow one, is the new one from Laura Mercier. And we're just gonna go and we're just gonna bake a little bit. Now I'm gonna go into number 2 and set the rest of my face. I have a whole bag of brushes there, like I literally need to go through it and just clean everything up, but well, not clean everything up, put everything away. Like, this is annoying. I need to do it. But it's just time. I'm busy. I work a full-time job. I'm a full-time wife. I don't know how you can be a part-time wife, but yes, I'm a full-time wife and I'm a mom, and I don't know, it's a lot. Although my kid's not little anymore, but still a lot. Yep. So let's use Gold Mine from Urban Decay. I don't know why I did that. Hopefully my husband will remove that from the video. Knowing the love of my life, he's literally gonna leave it right there.
As you wish.
Hold it. What is this?
I think I'm gonna use this, because I think I'm gonna use this vampire lipstick, even if I said I wasn't going to something bold, but you know what? We're gonna go for it. And I'm gonna use Talking from Jaclyn here. I promise that wasn't the plan to use all the stuff from her today, but you know what? We have it, so we're using it. This is vampy. I don't go like, hey, I'm not gonna go bold and then this. This is not gonna work. Yeah, I can already tell you, this lipstick is terrible. Like, I literally just put this. Like, look at this. Oh, my teeth is dirty already. It's okay, I already have it on. We're just gonna finish the video, but I'm gonna take it off. So I'm gonna use this from ABH. I actually really like this. And this is a Ruce brush, tapered brush. Which one is this? 360. Like, I'm just going to tongue on this because I don't know. Me and this lip. Now I have to fix around the mouth. See, done. Then I'm gonna take my bronzer brush and just kind of flip this up a bit again, because I was doing too much, trying to be, you know. So I'm gonna use my Makeup Forever pencil in Limitless Brown, and I'm just gonna use this. This is Nude Nova from Make Beauty. It's just a lip serum. Now I'm gonna blush. I'm gonna use this, the same blush in here. That mirror though is so cute. I'm gonna use this M510 blush from Morphe, and we're gonna use this gold or the highlighter in that same palette from ABH. And to set the face, I'm gonna use my Morphe setting spray. Okay. So that's it, guys, for this video. I know I went crazy, but you know what, sometimes you just have to do this, right? So yeah, so that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what, I'll see you on my next video. Bye, guys.